This is for the race car.
Oh, this is a race. Race
So
track.
kapag, ano, kailangan ba mag-taxi sa Clark? Pag papasok sa airport?
That's good.
Huwag kang magtanong sa akin.
Ano yan?
Does Anthony know about that?
I think they already been there.
Kailangan ba daw mag-taxi sa ano dyan?
Saan?
Sa airport, GC.
Sa airport, Clark?
Hindi.
Oo. Walang jeep dun.
Walang jeep dun. Sa kabilang airport yun.
Oh, uulan. Pag uulan. I hope.
This one?
I hope it will not rain.
What's it called, Jim? Where are we going?
Sokovia.
Soprobia.
Zoo. And then Kovia.
Zoo?
There's an animal.
Parang doon sa
And you will see Joseph there.
SBMA,
His
Sokovia.
brother. A monkey.
Can't wait to teach the parrot some bad words.
Oh, look.
This is a long bridge.
Jeez.
Punta niya ata ng tatlo.
Ganda no.
Long bridge, eh?
So, Okobia, yung napuntahan na natin, Angeline, di ba? Sa SBMA.
Subic is that way?
Subic Safari.
Oh,
Maybe
Subic
behind.
Safari.
Just one going to Pampanga.
This is going to Tarlac that way.
Yeah.
So we see your relatives then, Joseph. Ah. You want to stay with them for a while?
Barangay Kalumpa.
Hello, brother. They have a souvenir for me.
They make you feel at home?
Wow.
Papunta pa lang kayo.
You like bananas?
The man said, "Oh, you are the disgrace of the apes."
Wow, a lot of mango tree.
Your father said you're a disgrace to humans. I'm your uncle. You're a disgrace to the ape. Yeah. Go and look after the
Ang daming mangga. Oh.
kittens.
Wow, mangga.
You're not getting very good reviews, are you, Joseph?
What time?
You haven't got many fans.
I do, I have a lot. I'm serious, Pop.
Oh, welcome. So, Okobia.
Ostrich feeding.
Ah, Zucobia. Ito yata yung last
Joseph,
time na ano.
you hang on to my camera. Do not let a monkey go anywhere near it. Feel it.
Maraming monkey dyan dyan. Buhay na buhay.
I always hold it.
Dito ata yung,
High
ano,
grip.
yung pinuntahan natin
He might sneak up on you and you might
yung high
go,
school ako.
No.
There's a
Yung high
monkey.
school ka pa?
Oo. Ba't dito yun? Yung kasama si Joseph.
Wow, you can ride a camel.
Si
Camel ride.
JB.
You want to drive
Si Joseph
Caramel.
Benedict.
Camel.
a camel? You want to ride a camel?
No, it says there. You can ride.
They're very tall.
Ano yan? Buongon?
Ano yan?
Buongon? Yung prutas?
Grass
Ang
feeding.
laki ng ano ah.
Yung aso. Ah, parang.
I can see a bike up there. I saw a bike.
Oh, ganda dito ah.
Papaya.
There must be a
Natuwad
car
ang
park.
lalaki.
There will be a car. I've been here, I think, last month. The children that sometimes I don't have work in Ayrton. I have a sideline.
Baka mablasot ka sa kanal dyan.
For the students, I'm their driver.
Ah, what, for the school?
Yeah.
Maraming ita dito.
Marami kita dito.
Nice basketball court.
Some of the villages here are Aita, native people,
Ah,
native Filipino.
Oo nga. Maraming ita.
Ayun, oo.
Oh, ganda ng bahay. Oh.
the Zing ride. The Zing ride.
Yeah, they have us.
Oh, it's a proper park there. I think
Ambulance.
it's there, Jim.
Yeah, it's the entrance.
Barangay Kalumpang.
I did not ask how much.
Sabi paano kung nabaha?
Baha? Walang baha dito. They are in the bundok.
Ah, okay.
Bayabas. Ayun, ang hinog na buongon.
Snake.
What did you say, Angel?
Snake. This is
Paradise Ranch.
parrot.
Paradise Ranch.
Monkey, monkey.
Where?
Monkey.
Yeah.
Monkey,
Where's the
monkey.
monkey?
It's a wood.
In front of our...
No.
Ah, ang daming parrot, oh.
Wall Street.
Ay, excuse me.
No, you just
So,
get out
Okobia.
here and I will park the car.
You got your camera, Joseph?
Yeah.
Let's go.